unicorn soap making craft for you, and it's from Explore. Explore's toys and kits are the best because they're so creative and take your time, and that's good because we all are so bored at home right now. So I'm going to be reviewing this toy. So first, let me open this. I can smell the scents in this. So when we open this, we have this box. So let me see what it is. Oh, it's blue glitter, so we'll use that definitely. And a beaker. And a unicorn soap making mold. We also, I think this is the mat, so it doesn't get messy. Yep, it's a mat. And the next thing that I have here is some droppers and wooden spatulas, 2 colors, food coloring, and 1 scent, that is strawberry fragrance. That's good. And we also have some soap base, and obviously we need gloves and the instruction manual, and also we have some stickers to decorate our soap. So let's get started. All the things, and as you can see, I have an induction here because we don't have a microwave at the studio, but you guys can use a microwave, and if you can't do that, so ask your parents for help. So the first thing that we're going to do is take some soap base and wear your glove, that's important. So as the mold is short and small, I'm only going to use 2 soap bases for this. Just drop that in, and 1 more. I might put 3, actually 3, because they shrink when they're heated. So let me switch that on. And now I'm gonna be pouring it into this mold. I'm gonna keep this on the mat so it doesn't spill everywhere. And now we add the color. So I'm gonna be using blue. So we are gonna take the dropper now and fill it with some food coloring and gently put it everywhere like that. Now I'm going to be adding the glitter. So I'm going to take a pinch of glitter. You don't have to put too much glitter because it is soap after all. So guys, as you saw, my unicorn soap is right now drying. It will take 24 hours for it to dry. So yeah, I'm going to be sharing the pictures at the end of this video. And thanks for these Explore kits. These are very good. As you saw, it's so good. I really like making these stuff, and I think you should buy this. And the most thing I like about this is the stickers. I love stickers, and after this is dried, I'm gonna be putting this blue unicorn sticker on it because it's blue, and yeah, some stars as well and rainbows, and we all know how much I love unicorns. So yeah, I do try out, and you can buy these anywhere at any toy shop, and these are so interesting. And there are other kits as well, like my chocolate making lab and my perfume making lab and my spa making lab. I have all of those, and I'm gonna review them in the future as well.
24 hours later.
So guys, it's been 24 hours. Now let's see how my unicorn soap turned out. Oh, wow. See, this looks so cute. And guys, I think I added a little too much glitter, so don't add too much glitter or it'll come out on your hands. And I really recommend to buy this toy and make a soap of your own, because you know how much I love unicorns, and I think you do also. So you can buy this toy, and yeah, it's very good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time. Bye!